tourism and travel in Pakistan. Introduction. Journey to explore the hidden gems, breathtaking landscapes, and rich cultural heritage of Pakistan. Today, we delve into the topic of tourism and travel in Pakistan, showcasing the country's incredible beauty and highlighting why it's a must-visit destination for travelers around the world. Introduction to Pakistan's diversity. Our journey begins in the north, where the majestic peaks of the Himalayas and Karakoram mountains greet us. Pakistan is home to some of the world's highest mountain ranges, including K2, the second highest peak on Earth. The northern regions offer trekking adventures, scenic landscapes, and a chance to immerse ourselves in the local culture of the mountain communities. Exploring historical marvels. As we move south, we discover Pakistan's rich historical heritage. Ancient civilizations have thrived on this land, leaving behind impressive landmarks such as Mohenjo-daro and Taxila, showcasing the Indus Valley civilization's architectural prowess. We'll explore the intricate designs of Mughal architecture in Lahore's Bacha Mosque and the stunning Shalimar Gardens. Vibrant cities and bustling bazaars. Let's step into the vibrant cities of Pakistan, like Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad. Each city has its unique charm, offering a blend of modernity and tradition. We'll wander through bustling bazaars, where the aroma of spices fills the air and colourful textiles catch our eye. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the locals, known for their friendly nature. Serene beaches and coastal adventures. Pakistan's coastline stretches along the Arabian Sea, providing picturesque beaches and coastal adventures. From the sandy shores of Quada to the historical landmarks in Makran, we'll discover the beauty and tranquility of Pakistan's coastal regions. Experiencing Pakistani cuisine. A visit to Pakistan wouldn't be complete without indulging in its mouth-watering cuisine. From aromatic biryanis to flavorful kebabs and savory street food, Pakistani cuisine is a treat for the taste buds. We'll explore the diverse culinary delights across the country. Adventure in the deserts. Venturing towards the western regions, we'll encounter the vast deserts of Tar and Cholistani, experience camel safaris and witness the stunning sunsets over the dunes, making for an unforgettable adventure. Ecotourism and nature conservation. Pakistan is committed to ecotourism and nature conservation. We'll visit national parks and wildlife reserves, home to unique flora and fauna, including the endangered snow leopard in the northern regions. People and culture. Throughout our journey, we'll meet the people of Pakistan and learn about their diverse cultures and traditions. From the art of truck painting to the colorful festivities of various festivals, Pakistan's culture is an enriching tapestry of traditions. Conclusion. As our journey comes to an end, we are left in awe of Pakistan's incredible beauty, warm hospitality, and rich heritage. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history enthusiast, or a nature lover, Pakistan offers something for everyone. Join us as we continue to explore and celebrate the wonders of tourism and travel in Pakistan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming adventures. Until next time, happy traveling.